name is Brian Carden. I'm the owner here at Innovative Precision. We're located in Ogden and we specialize in CNC machining. We produce components for the aerospace and defense industries as well as automotive and medical device manufacturers. We're constantly looking to hire talented individuals. Machinists are the ones who bring engineering and designs to life. Machinists are problem solvers and they possess skills in CNC programming, machine operation, use of various cutting tools, fixture design, inspection instruments, and CAD/CAM systems. They use these skills and their own ingenuity to bring it all together to produce high-quality products.
If you are thinking about starting a machining career, definitely go and hit up your local ATC. Not only will they give you the skills, the knowledge, and just the technical know-how of getting into machining, it's affordable. It is insanely affordable. With the demand for machinists across the nation, especially here in this state, within 6 months to a year, you'll have a job and you will be working on the shop floor. You will be running machining centers and helping produce product for your shop and for people across the globe.
I was able to get a job actually the day I graduated high school. I got a job as a machinist for a company that made medical instruments and implants, and really enjoyed my machining career. A few years later I got a job here at JD Machine and I've been here ever since. I have grown through the program. I'm a journeyman machinist, and part of being a journeyman machinist is going to the Ogden Weaver Tech College to get additional schooling required for that. So it's a clean, technical, neat environment where you can really make some neat products. Things that I would tell an upcoming machinist or someone interested in the career is everything you see has probably been through a machine shop. Everything you see around you. So the demand for a machinist is high. We are constantly growing here at JD Machine as well, ever since I've worked here, which gives you good job security and satisfaction.
Parker Hannafin's Aerospace Group is a global leader in flight controls and hydraulic components. Our commercial business unit, located here in Ogden, Utah, employs over 550 people, and we offer competitive salary and benefits. We're looking for machinists and assembly and test technicians to work on flight control actuation products.
My name is Mark Souter. I'm a machinist here at Parker. I run multiple different machines. I run center grinders, centerless grinders, lathes, mills, horizontal mills. And what the machining program did for me is it gave me the basic skills. It gave me the foundation for how to start machining, how to come out into the workforce. It gave me a good background. It teaches you how to think in machining terms. It gives you a good vocabulary, it gives you a good basis on it. You start looking apart and saying, hey, I can build that. And you start figuring out how to build it and how to work with it. I mean, there's nothing better than looking at a car driver down the street or looking at a plane flying up in the sky and saying, hey, I built parts for that. I can do that.
I love Parker. The wages and benefits are great. I chose the weekend shifts so I could have more time off with my kids, and the people here are great.
Hi, I'm Seth Kappas. I'm the Manufacturing Engineering Manager for the Williams International Advanced Manufacturing Facility in Ogden, Utah. We're proud to partner with the Ogden Weaver Applied Technology College in order to encourage members of our community to pursue a career as a CNC machinist. At Williams International, we produce small gas turbine engines from start to finish. These are some of the most powerful and precise things that you'll see pretty much anywhere, and Williams International is a global leader in manufacturing these small gas turbine engines. We design these engines from the ground up, and we produce parts here and then assemble and test prior to sending these engines to our commercial and military customers. I'm proud of the work that we do here at Williams International, and I'm glad that we have an opportunity to support the private aviation community as well as our military. We encourage you to consider a career in machining and joining the Williams International Machining Internship Program, where we will help to financially support your education while giving you the hands-on experience that you'll need to be successful in your career.
My name is Nathan Fairchild. I'm 18 years old and I started at Fremont High School. I'm at Envy Composites. I'm in the machine shop. I'm there on their night schedule running machines for them. We make the molds for the composite. They lay up the wheels and stuff in, the handlebars and everything they make for the bike parts. It's a fun atmosphere. I mean, I get to use my hands and work and make money for myself and have something for myself. and it's cool to use certificates from here towards that. Use what I know how to do and like doing. I make $13 an hour with benefits. I graduated last May and it's August now, and I'm 60 hours from finishing my first machining program at the ATC.
Went over to the ATC, got the skills that I needed, become a machinist, program, and just run parts. Now I really enjoy my job, my everyday. I look forward to waking up.
Ty Christofferson, and I work for True Position. And I went to school, the Ogden Weber ATC, and that got me started in learning and was in my introduction to machining. And then I went on and worked a couple different jobs, and now I'm here, and this is where I have learned the most. And